Guys, we have the brand new Mustang GT on the lift. This thing is sick. It has carbon fiber everywhere. What we did today was an XPipe right in the center. All right, so we removed what was originally here and replaced it with this XPipe. He had to weld it on, so you have to go to your local exhaust shop. It wasn't clamped on. All right, this is gonna stabilize that sound. Completely different sound than an H-pipe. An H-pipe is a lot more choppy. You know what I mean? Like old school American muscle. This stabilizes it, still makes it aggressive, but sounds very clean. So it's completely up to you. I'm sure we have a bunch of videos on the difference in sound. Now, everything else is pretty stock. Let's check out the back right here. Stock mufflers, all right? You could always remove those in the future. There might be a little bit of a drone, but one thing at a time, you know what I mean? Especially when it comes to modding your car. These tips are stock as well. I think they look fresh. You could just leave them, you know what I mean? Unless you want to change them up. You could do some carbon fiber, classic chrome, black chrome, whatever matches the overall color scheme of the car. So guys, the next upgrade would be an intake for this thing. I like these brand new GTs. I like how they look, very slick. Again, the carbon fiber is completely custom. You just got it back from the shop. We're gonna bring it down, fire it up. Let me know how it sounds in the comments, guys. Check out all the links in the description. Guys, this is the stock resonator right here. As you can see, very restricting, all right? Sometimes you could get a resonated X-pipe, but I don't suggest that. H-pipe or X-pipe is the way to go. H-pipe, again, choppy, American muscle, all right? X-pipe, stabilizing that sound. It crosses right in the middle, cha-cham, and then gives you that nice little aggression with a little purr, you know what I mean? Guys, we just finished it up. Hear this idle. Sounds clean. The valves are open. You're good, Matt. The valves are open right now. You could always close them. A couple other options for the GT. You could go with a Corsa system. You could go with a boreless system. These are full system and they have different options, track, sport, etc. We have a few videos on the page that you guys can take a look at, but if you want something like a budget build, just go with a muffler delete, a resonator delete. If you want something a little bit different, you got to go with that X-pipe or the H-pipe like I mentioned. But yeah, guys, let me know how it sounds in the comments. I love this car. Like and subscribe.